In this video, we are going to learn about how to write scripts. For writing scripts, we will first learn about block palette. Block palette has all different types of commands you can use to write your script. If you see, the blocks are color coded to let you know how to quickly find a command you are looking for. The topmost is the motion block, which has commands to move sprites, change angles, and change x and y values. Below it are the loops command, which helps you to control the visuals of the sprite, change the background, etc. Below it is the sound, which helps you to add sound effects. Below it is events, which has event handlers placed on the top of each group of blocks. Below it are the control commands, which have conditional, if-else statement, forever, repeat, and stop, etc. Then there are the sensing commands, which help you to interact with other sprites or the surroundings. There are many more shown here and even more commands which you can add on if you press Add Extensions. You will see more commands for music, pen, video, and if you select any of them, they get added to your palette. That's a huge number of commands made available to you. But how do you make them work? You drag the blocks to script area to make tower of blocks which executes in a sequence. We will learn a bit about what are the different types of block before we start making our tower. Other than the color, you would have also noticed that the blocks have different shapes. Based upon shape, there are hat type, stack type, reporter, or cap blocks. Hat type blocks have rounded top like a hat. These are placed on top of the scripts and are typically associated with some event which starts a script. They are found in the events or control category. Then there are stack type blocks which has dents or bumps to form stack of blocks. Then there are reporter blocks which hold values and it fits inside other blocks. They can have numeric or boolean value which helps in taking some decision by the main block, like which key is pressed or touching mouse pointer, etc. Last is the cap block. These come always last in the script and are used to step 1 or all scripts. Now let's try making a tower or a script. Make sure you have a sprite selected because script is associated with whichever sprite is selected. Let's drag move block to script area. You can test a block by just clicking on it. The number 10 is just the default number and you can edit this to another number if you want the cat to move more number of steps. Similarly, below move you will see two turn commands, one on right and another on left. Let's drag one of them on the script area. You will see it fits along with our existing move block, and now when you click on it, it executes the two commands in sequence. Here too you can change the angle by which you want to turn. If the cat reaches the edge, drag it back onto the stage. To straighten the cat, you can also use direction button in the sprite info area. However, click is only to test. We want an event to start the script, like pressing start button. So we will go to the events and pick up the event of when flagged click. Now when you click on the green button, it will execute your script. This is your first functional script. In the next video, we'll learn more of commands in the motion block.